Anyway, SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a beautiful pair of his and hers watches just in time for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is of course a very romantic holiday, and what is more romantic than buying a matching pair of Rolex watches? These two are a beautiful pair, and we have tons of other options and varieties and choices at SwissWatchExpo. These two just happen to be some of my favorites. The Jubilee bracelet with the 18-karat white gold fluted bezel I think is really great for someone who wears a lot of silver and white gold jewelry, because then it will match with everything. It's also a little bit more casual than a stainless steel and yellow gold watch. So I think that those point to a more casual, but it definitely is dressed up with the appearance of diamonds on the hour markers. They definitely add just a little bit of sparkle to this watch and make it just a little bit special, especially with this pretty plain black dial, which again I think is perfect if you want a very casual watch that you can wear every single day. But the diamonds definitely do elevate it just a little bit and give it that extra bit of pizzazz. So if you were looking for a seriously special pair of watches for Valentine's Day or for any other wonderful occasion like an anniversary or a birthday, you should definitely check out SwissWatchExpo.com, because we have tons of his and hers watches just waiting for you to pair together. So check these watches out and our entire Rolex collection at SwissWatchExpo.com.